Welcome to our graphic design course. In this journey, you will explore the world of design, learn how to communicate ideas visually and creatively. We'll start by getting comfortable with Canva, a user-friendly tool that lets you bring your designs to life. From there, we'll dive into the basics of graphics design, understanding what designers do, the elements and principles they use, and why design is essential in so many fields. Throughout the course, we will cover key topics like typography, color theory, layout, and composition, the building blocks of strong visual communication. You also learn about the tools and processes professionals use to create polished, impactful designs. By focusing on real world applications, we'll help you build a portfolio that shows off your skills, creativity, and understanding of design principles. Plus, we introduce you to free resources to support your growth even after the course ends. Finally, this course isn't just about learning in isolation. We work on group and individual projects to give you hands on experience, and we'll create a community of dedicated designers where you can get feedbacks, ask questions, and support each other. Get ready to dive in and get creative and discover what it means to think like a designer. Let's get started.